What's up? I know it's been a little bit. It's been 10 months. So it's definitely been a second since I've made a video. But I wanted to talk to you guys about something. And I just thought I'd hop on here and make a video because I need to make more. And yeah, so let's get into it. I just want to show you guys how I have made consistent and real progress in the gym. And all you guys gotta understand is that I've been tracking my macros and training consistently, and that's the biggest thing. Those two things are the biggest things for sure that have gotten me progress. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the progress I've made recently because of how serious I've taken this. So let me switch over here to get this pulled up. Switch. So this was me back in November last year. Is currently 5/20/2025. So it's been 6 months, just about, since I've looked like this. This I probably weighed about 175, 100, low to mid 170s, and I was this way for months. This is what I looked like. I made no progress. I had no weight gain, no weight loss. I just stayed the same for months, probably most of 2024. And let's see, this one is October, so it's even earlier. I mean, at least my arms look a little better than this one, but there's just, I think this one's also, this one's December. I look a little better here, but this is kind of a shit picture, so it's hard to tell. Some of this lighting and stuff is kind of inconsistent. Like, you could, these are 2 weeks from each other. This is definitely not my pose, the front double, but yeah, this is what I look like December 6th of last year, so 5 months ago, a little over. And then we can go to some more recent pictures. This is April of this year, and you can see that I'm way fuller. This is up probably over 10 pounds, probably close to 15 pounds. I think I was around 185, maybe 190 in these pictures. And the lats came up, the arms bigger, the abs, losing the abs, that's what happens. And I've been trying to consistently and seriously bulk for a while, but yeah, it's tough. So this is April 8th, and then I think this was 5 days ago at my college gym. And if you look at this one, so these are realistically 6 months apart, and it's hard to tell that I've made that much progress, especially when, for me, looking at the mirror, not seeing many gains come in. I've been training for 5 years, and the last year or two have been the most consistent and the most serious. So, if you put these side by side, you see the arm, see the tricep hang, the shoulders, the chest is fuller, the abs are there, they're just fatter, there's more fat over them. And again, it's hard to tell. This mirror is really shit, and the lighting's not great. And then this was also April to compare my legs. Let's see, where's that other picture? So comparing my legs have always been decent. When I was younger when I was 18, I guess not that much younger, but I was 18 and I broke my wrist, fractured the bone when I'm playing basketball when I was 17, and then when I was 18, I broke my elbow of my right arm, also playing basketball, and it was kind of like back to back. So I was able to just train legs. That's all I did is I went and I trained legs in my cast and in my sling, and so my leg genetics aren't very bad either. The rest, my arms are okay, but anyways, this was April. This was taken today. This is it's an okay photo. You can't, I mean, that's a shit photo, but you can, they're just bigger. I don't squat very often. I have a really bad back, but for my compounds, I'll do leg press or pendulum squat, if you know what that is, and then abductors, leg extensions, hamstring curls, all the normal leg stuff. But and this is also a shit picture. I don't know if I can find a better one. This was December 14th. So we can see it's bigger, better, all that good stuff. And yeah, I've been training consistently for the last couple months and have gained a lot of weight. And you know, now that it's summer, it's time to cut down on the calories. So I have to lock in differently, you know, to cut down on the calories, because before I was just eating as much as possible to gain weight, to gain size, to gain strength, and now I just want to be lean and have abs and veins and all that good stuff. So right now I weighed in this morning at 179, 180. I think it was like high 179, 179.8 or something. And so I've lost weight recently. I mean, this is a really bad camera, but it's all right. We make do. And so yeah, I just want to come on and tell you guys about how training's been going. I train hard, 5 days a week, cardio, 10,000 steps a day, and been tracking what I eat to make sure I get enough protein. And now, like today, let's see what I ate. Been sitting around under 3,000 calories. I think today was a low day. Yeah, 2,200 calories and 186 grams of protein today. I got 2 scoops of whey and some milk in here. A little calm, a little bit of protein. But anyways, yeah. There will be more videos coming in the future. Make sure to follow my Instagram. I'm a lot more consistent on there. I will be posting a lot more. I'm going to link my Discord in the bio of this video, and it's in my my YouTube channel bio, and you guys can go there, try to ask me anything. I will try and answer. You know, I feel like I know a decent amount about training and getting in shape and whatnot. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Peace.